Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to give you the important update for the Karnataka First PUC Science students regarding the subject Mathematics. Today I am bringing you the revised reduced syllabus for First PUC Mathematics for Karnataka State Board. See children, now this is the 30% reduced syllabus which you are going to study for the upcoming board exam. Now here I am showing you the topics. So now only related to these topics you are going to study for the upcoming final exam. Unit 1, Sets and Functions. In the chapter Sets, you are going to study the topics about sets and their representations. In that, you are going to study the basics of that, as you can see over here. And next, about types of sets, you are going to study. Next, operation on sets, you are going to study. And simple Venn diagram problems regarding the sets. And next unit, relations and functions, in which you are going to study about the Cartesian product of sets. Okay, and it is very easy and very simple, children, this unit. And even you are going to study about the relation and function. In relation, just you are going to study about definition of relation, pictorial diagram, domain, codomain, and range and relation and examples. Range of a relation and examples. Just you need to identify over there. That's it, nothing else. And next, even function, you are going to study about a special kind of relation from one set to another. Same pictorial representation of a function, domain, codomain, and range, real valued function, domain of range, and polynomial, rational, modular, signum, and greater integer functions with their graphs you are going to study. Now only you have to take this title and you are going to study about these titles. Remember children, just take a title of this and study the problems related to these topics, nothing else. Next, algebra of real valued functions. Next, we have trigonometric functions, in which we are going to study about the angle. You are going to study the difference between positive and negative angles and how to measure the angle, okay, and how to convert the angles in radians to degrees and degrees to radians. That is what we are going to study. And next, we are going to study about the definition of trigonometric functions with the help of a unit circle, truth of the identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. For all x, that is what you are going to study. And signs of trigonometric functions you are going to study, and trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles you are going to study. You can see over here, similar like sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, same way of tan, and one small derivations kind of things are there here. Next, we are going to study about the definition of allied angles and even compound angles we are going to study. Next, trigonometric ratios of multiple angles and deducing results of sin x plus sin y is 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So this is what you have to deduce this result. It means you have to prove here LHS is equals to RHS. And the problems related to these formulas we are going to study. Next, trigonometric equations we are going to study. Okay, and next we have, and this trigonometric equations is one of the very important part of this chapter, and even this also trigonometric ratios of multiple angles and deducing the result is one of the very important question in this chapter. Next, unit number 2, algebra. In algebra we are going to study about the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, here the topics is been given out here. You can just go ahead regarding which are the topics we are going to study in this chapter. Next, complex numbers and quadratic equations. Again here Argand diagram is there. It's one of the very important topic. You can just see here regarding the complex numbers what are the things we are going to study. Next, we have a chapter linear inequalities, and this is the syllabus which you are going to study for this exam. Next, we have a chapter permutation and combinations. In that, fundamental principle of counting, you can just define them. Okay, what do you mean by fundamental principle of counting? That is also called as FPC rule. FPC rule. Okay, and next, factorial n. means how to find the factorial, and here we have permutation and combination, and also we are going to prove here about what is NCR. We have different formulas to define NCR, and also NPR also we have the formula like n factorial by n minus r whole factorial. NCR is nothing but NPR by r factorial. This is NPR by r factorial. This is the formula we have to prove here. LHS is equals to RHS, and problems related to these formulas we are going to study. Next chapter we have binomial theorem. Okay, and this is the syllabus you are going to study in binomial theorem. Next, sequence and series, as you all have already studied in your class 10th, that is chapter called as sequence over there also, but here in sequence we have AP, GP and HP, but here they have given only AP and GP for you for this exam. You are going to study about arithmetic progression and geometric progression and their means, that is AM and GM you are going to study. Okay, next unit we have coordinate geometry. We are going to study about straight lines, about a slope of a line. If any students have come from the platform of ICSE in class 10th, definitely this unit will be very simple for them, since they have already studied these chapters in their class 9th and 10th. Okay, anyhow, unit number 3, coordinate geometry, straight lines. This is the syllabus what you are going to study. And next chapter we have conic sections. Okay, and this is one of the very important section in this mathematics, children. 110% I can assure that one question is going to come in a long answer carrying questions. You are going to derive a parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So these are the 3 derivations. So anyhow, in our regular classes we will let you know how to prove this and how to solve the numericals based on this chapter, these topics. Don't worry. Okay, next we have introduction to 3-dimensional geometry. This is the syllabus of introduction to 3-dimensional geometry you are going to study. And next topic we have calculus. Unit number 4, it is calculus. Children, this unit is completely quite difficult, but I am not sure that we can't call that as a difficult, since I am telling it is difficult. Why? Because till now you people have not come across these chapters, this topic till your 10th standard. Now this is a very new chapter what you are going to study, and remember children, this calculus, this chapter is going to help you from here onwards till your final degree. So you must have to study. Don't leave this chapter, don't skip this chapter, since the basics we are going to study here. If you doesn't know the basics, so definitely it will be a huge problem for you for your second PU as well for your degree. So do remember, this chapter is one of the very important chapter. Now onwards this chapter plays a very major role in your upcoming life. Okay, one thing children, so this is actually if you people are interested to join our regular classes, you can join over here. Okay, we have 2 branches in Tandri Road and Shivaji Nagar. We conduct classes here from class 6 to 2nd PUC. Okay, with a specialized team of experts and resource persons, and we conduct classes from class 6 to 10th standard for state ICSE and CBSE syllabus, and for PUC we take for science students, commerce and arts. So we have 2 branches in Bangalore, that is Tandri Road branch and Shivaji Nagar branch. This Tandri Road branch is near to Mediscope Hospital. Okay, and it is opposite to Muslim Colony bus stop. And Shivaji Nagar branch, it is located near Shivaji Nagar bus stand, if not nearby to the Modi Masjid. So these are the 2 branches we have got. Hurry up, we have limited seats and admissions are open for this academic year. Still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it, Evershine Coaching Groups, and click the bell icon. And also you can follow us through other social networking sites. I hope you all have got the things whatever we are saying here, right? Yes, children. So if you are willing to join for our offline classes, you can join over here for PUC and for class 10. The admissions are opened. Okay, now we continue. Limits and derivatives. In limits, so this is the syllabus what you have got, and derivatives, this is the syllabus what we are going to study. And next we have unit number 5, mathematical reasoning. So definition of proposition and problems we are going to study here in this chapter. You can just see the syllabus. So this is the reduced syllabus which has been given, and last unit we have unit number 6, statistics and probability. So this is the syllabus of statistics and probability. Okay, so you can just go ahead with this. And important note, unsolved miscellaneous problems given in the prescribed textbook need not to be considered. Okay, you can see end of the chapter, you can see there is a called as a miscellaneous problems. You can see over there as miscellaneous problem. You no need to consider. Okay, means the questions will not be asked from that area for your final board exam. We can't tell that, like they can't ask, but still if you want to gain more knowledge you can study. But unsolved miscellaneous problems given in the prescribed textbook need not to be considered. This has been given in the syllabus copy itself, so you can eliminate this part. Is this clear, children? I hope you all have got these things, what all we want to say as per the mathematics reduced syllabus for first PUC. If you have liked our video, do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible to all friends, so let they also get to know the revised syllabus for first PUC for the academic year 2020-2021. I hope you all have enjoyed this session, and do not forget to subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe and click the bell icon. And the admissions are open. If you want, you can join our regular classes for the upcoming final exam. Thank you. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching.